We are using Heikin-Ashi candles. They are 10 seconds this time, and our expiration time is 5 seconds. As you can see, it went down here again, but our fractal just changed and is now green. So that means that we're going back up. We do not trade here. So as you can see, the CCI is headed up, the RSI is headed down. They're in two conflicting positions, so we do not trade here. We're above on all of them. Let's see what happens here. We won this one. This is 987. So I take a trade at 7 seconds. Now, if I'm going to take multiple trades in the same setup, then I'll first hit it at 7, and then depending on where it goes, I'll hit it again like I just did. But you might end up winning one and losing the other, so you got to be careful. So I won all 3 trades on this one setup here, so this is a real nice one. But as you can see, the CCI is coming down, so that means that eventually we are going to lose. So I've done 5 of them on here. As you can see, it's coming down. The candles are getting weaker at 7, so we are going to stop trading on this one.